Adom FM.
Someone na yebesha sentem paso na yede afi eye ensema ekoso tetem sama ekoso wo eye Ghana ye kan tetem a the Ghana Football Association akachi na meka na nano and the General Secretary of the Ghana Football Association Bechiri Musampa tetem sama de ekoso ba clubs no and some person FA president bi aba betre bi abekọ tetem nya ketokre kupe efike ketokre kusu ekono obi oba bi anko tetem tie be amende ye emra no se na be tetem be ba so bebrena na de o manu atumu a obi a che former chairman of the Ghana Football Association Oranya Otamakwe no kopim aso fokwa board no so didn't kwi so power no watena akonwa so pento nim senete and on nsama to just said the body of the dead is I want for the living we busa abandi ahim as anya lesson a wo de wotete was a wo hesa ne body ne da what say say ya me wu ameye eti de nan no eto president achi no sa kwan na so na ora chairman nam so no yes. Says after what is so best official person transfer on the Saro Aquatari.
I have further warned that history had repeated itself in several things in this country, and we don't seem to take note of that. And if we are not careful, this can create a big problem. Because citing the downfall of the former GFA boss, Kusinyan Seti, my very good friend, I attributed as this particular thing he himself wanted to do would have been part of his downfall. Now, to me, anyone who wants to stay in power perpetually, especially by twisting the constitution to suit their interests, is a danger to the organization and the society.
Ora Nyaotamakro, former chairman of the Ghana Football Association, someone known to say dangerous. You know how it goes. But former vice president of the Ghana Football Association, Ora George Akwesi was said, "Dear man, trauma in you." Now, so we petition government to cry. We petition and said, "That be tetem someday. We mean free mukra."
I will write to the government and the president of Ghana. It's the highest spender as far as Ghana football is concerned. You don't know. My data catcher said that total amount of money club will be from FIFA. I don't for $2,450,000 because FIFA amount 600 January or 650 January, 600 in July. No, Assam will be at 300,000 for travel, 250 for equipment. No amount 750 for special project. It is ultimately assessing in Accra when you are 2.46. But the government of Ghana, the amount of money was spending on the Made, the Princess, the Satellite, the Starlet, the Black Star in a year. No, it's like times 3 or 4 of what FIFA gives you. And it's a big because of GFA not here in Fano one, and they are no one in the media will be in the known.
How soon now? All right. George Akwesi, former vice president of the Ghana Football Association, and no fan no to sem you mont now masadi nsi na ya kan sa no no kokopie mu former phone na former communications director of the Ghana Football Association Ibrahim Sanitara on no tum say be na say 2 terms na person wo boa Ghana football pa sa 4 years bi no ntimi nya ohweti ku nya ba ku kan ho be boa sani so adwenche ni.
I mean, no doubt in my mind that number one, for a football administrator to be able to make his mark on a federation so strongly and be able to, juxtapose the federation and other federations and also be able to stand tall, you would need more than 8 years. Ghana's example is a glowing case of progress. And I say this because Kwesi Nyantakyi was able to go through the motions, go through WAFU, CAF, and rose to FIFA. And that same thing is happening to Ket.
Yo, way and in someone Ibrahim Sanida did 2 try watch them most second be so Ket is also started rising our Africa football to be here more than 4 years. Now what to media here be here more than 8 now be a 12 for coordinate to so cry bit man boapa to no there what did you say the kakraka be boapa OT Sports page 1 live on Adom 106.3 Kegyiwa Gasani Eric Asiedu Boadi now and the Ghanaian Premier League is on now if August 15 moto mu akọ de just ya chase ya sana ya pitches no ho something say na no ya de baba ya radio brɛ me kire wo say nsu gu so say betumi afu na okokopie mu panifo mu na hwɛ say obia stadium ya okay say betuma ball league ya aye SMMS one na club license no woyɛ manager some ahwehwɛ mu say da ben no mu call say pitches they ready for the Ghanaian Premier League no mo what dey mu nkyire mu aba
learning from what happened last season. A little bit of mistakes in the good call. So this season is the future mistake. Currently, first infection, which was last month, and then all decisions were not made. We just wanted to ascertain the current state of our venues across all leagues and Division 1, the Ghana Premier League. Unfortunately, they call around the young. There's this trend that after the season, I say almost all the venues into the venue do grass move if bush in Basho, which wasn't pleasant. So outright, for me, so this is why we are facing issues because this season, let's say one on Cosme, field in the grass, and at that area of stadium. So going around all 10 regions, if in there you ever start to league now, I can just name a few and do second test. I look at my rate. Fortunately, on our part, it's proactive, and I want them just cut the current thing. So we'll go again, which is the main starting on the 15th of this month. Then I think it's another back house, and then I will say the will be approved, I will be.
Well, as a mess, no, to also and watch a date on Bequina, no. Now, ya can a son or not, yan clubs, they could see a name of Africa, no, ya kotoko. And Bibiani Gold Stars, Kotoko Comfort Cup, Bibiani Gold Stars could see a name of the Champions League mood. It's a fast and far well. Yatesi Masha, former Kotoko defender, James Kukudazi, while coaching my team CBA, Kamanade, or your coach, what Nanotum, or Jinsa Kotoko Bayadi.
The whole fraternity of Kotoko, or Ghanaian, they know what is pertaining in Africa football at the moment. When you watch CAF, Champions League, CAF, the Confederation League, CAF, you could see that most of the clubs, they are doing well. They are playing good football. So I believe that Kotoko will have to prepare well. As usual, preparation is the most important thing. And the boys must be psyched up that despite our challenges at home, with a little effort, we can go places as a team. So I believe that they must have the confidence that they will do well in Africa.
Well, Kotoko bet do well in Africa. James Kukudazi from Akodoko defender no but ya can say no yanko go stars for catching one coach coach from Pomanso. I'm for say coach from Pomanso signings be oye the from Africa near the coach say na ma challenge Maradona ne abedi amuni ho the one ye ojidi say a mentality near the Africa and yes prayer kesi na kekete.
For the club, it's the first time in the history of Bibiani Gold Stars, and for me, I think that alone is something which is good for the team, which is good for the players, which is good for the management, and then the technical team as well. And it's not. It's a very big stage, yes, but then. The moment you mention Africa, it's like, hey, you need some special players. No, they are the same players. What we need to orient their mindset, and that is what we've started to do. Because you cannot go and then bring in the Maradonas, the Peles at this time. What we have, we've added some.
Adom Sports, number one.
We still need to talk.
Well, I don't know, and someone coach from Pomas head coach, maybe Bibiani Gold Stars or the two. I'm saying, I'm sorry, but I'm sorry, I'm not a football friendly. Was boyfriend the Sahas and Yabre, I just said, when we have to necessary of person, but when now is Lima, and the Pim Soboslina for coming and some of Timo Opa, likes of Aquabna Boatin Money. While you move Yajman needed my house of Vocal for now, no more 7 Roma, Shabia County. Would even say, Koye Pania, the idea material. How on Yamabesi Acco with regards to one more preparation ahead of that new season. Now, I can't say, no team back qualified for the Ghanaian Premier League, anymore, as on Babe Bobby, All Blacks, and of course, All Blacks for Division 1, no more there 16 years, no much more. Swedro, one more team wherever All Blacks for Tetio, All Blacks on my chepa. But stadium, my boss of born something which is there. A bear ready. We make my say, Swedro, 1 year there. Nanatana will be a customer All Blacks for.
It's the cash here with the inner perimeter and pitch. It's make us say, Namia Domina perimeter, no old one, a canina go from, and a new one. It gets you on that face of pitch, and so for over 1 month, then say, expect our meeting a year on the pitch. Wasn't it be fully be on my bad with Gabby? Let's say, if you to tuning in, then irrigation system, I order mono. If any, it's so you on what we see now, and planting regarding of pitching, and see, then GF Boho number 2, my sort of sports stadium, no, say, Emano, a light, the last inspection, club lines for the dressing room, Yamiadum, you do lento, by this week, we'll be able to finish with that aspect. That feels so painting works from the stand and then outside the stadium. Make us say outside the stadium, the painting in every way, and they are more painting the stands. no we are 62,500 seats popular stand no any VIP and to know by the time for second week of this month going we'll start picking those seats baby are now in shoot to so no I liaise with the assembly say
number 1.
All right, now tell me being in somewhere what you two if I don't know. Now yaka uti na no pay you can catch all that say class I would go so prepare mo ahead of a new season. Okupi man on here mo bia so ya wide the call I ready where you one with the batman on this so the likes of Arsenal, the likes of Chelsea, the likes of Man City, the likes of Liverpool bia wide say next season wait Marco Ishak move to Liverpool or something which is there still Ishak Newcastle for say one team on training on training chance also more about there transfer will so be better something which is the way but this transfer next I will say be far and the pay be sorry some part MTN MK so unti ya met farmer na MTN aka bom de MK ba busumi bia wo say on metal kakra bi from 10 Ghana cedis to 161 Ghana cedis na abibia ohumfa wo no wo be free access to a doctor and a pharmacist wo ha pa wo dan ne be bopono kokoko ye be na doctor gina ho wo be bi wo pro no na pharmacist gina ho na de draw bra wo pe wo pe the health insurance package a MTN for ede aba silver na gold package na wo pe download the med pharma app no na fa ho jimu na also enya medical attention as quick as possible. Esim no MTN so na dia ba sekwan bia so go seamless today. 6,000 Ghana cedis go eso betumi edi bet power na dia ba e pacho casino original jackpot no and na crofo fa so di discuss e to so fa wo je bet power che mu na di sika fa go obotom F-Pack BX tablets and pon say for the can one pay and ne sam no e de bro pay ni be kwa F-Pack BX tablets mo ja bedi mo afisa ni ye challenge to staff for me taso na Sinomi noodles upe bibia di ne fast bibia be mo amia mo apomodin a Sinomi noodles na bu papa ne noodles na Sinomi for dia ba Sinomi noodles so mo can one pay and dey some no dey pro bet way for the love of the game. Share your code and win 4% on every stake will be betwa e code ni so but MTN and anymakwa hodwe and akan ho ede and some no ede ebrewo bet way for the love of the game unya twa ubedi yada was a said nano pay uti sports page 1 live on Adom 106.3 FM between the Kegyiwa and Eric Asiedu Boadi and you know e bono so better na the sports page 2 abro sabre de wasi ko so ati adwa so nsam